Hello everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can restart your Microsoft Surface device in a few easy and quick steps. So to start off, tap on the run icon over here, then tap on this, somewhat power button, then choose the restart option. And as you can see, the device, the tablet, the PC, whatever, gets rebooted. So let me just wait until the soft reset procedure finishes, and then we'll finish the video itself. Already, great success. Now you gotta enter the PIN if you have any, of course, and here you have it already. So that's how you restart your Microsoft Surface. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.